Guys, Ali here, and today I'm going to talk about my new mic. Okay, so anyway, hey guys, Tom the Gaming Free here, and today, yes, I am going to talk about my new mic. HC2, yeah, if you want to read this, yeah. Yeah, all this shitty stuff. Not shitty, but yeah. I'm going to open it, so yeah. Be satisfied. That sounded so weird. Okay. Ooh, I get to touch it. That's so soft. That's actually so soft. Oh, goodbye, box. Nobody likes you. Technical difficulties. Hold on. Don't mind me trying to open this thing. Oh, you can't. Okay, you have to do like this thing. Ooh, look at this. Oh, yes. I'm going out. How do I do this now? Oh, I can see the wires. Oh, we need to take this. Anything else? Hello? Hold on. Okay, so, I found this thing, which is part of the headset. Look. Red, off. On. Off. On. Be satisfied! This is so hard to open. I have to use a pen. Oh, yes. This is like so hard. This looks so weird, but fuck. Yes, I got it open. Hold on. I found this inside. I don't know what this is. So on this, don't know what this is. I may need help with this. Again with the freaking packaging. Look at this. Why do I have to be so shocked? What? Okay. I have no idea what this is, but on this. Have you ever get these things where you like have to unplug this? Not even unplug. Judge me. What does this do? Not plugging you. Like a plug here. So much wires. Let's put it on now. I think I'm wearing it on. How do I even tell you which way to put it? Hello, can you tell me where to put it? I'm supposed to test it. Yeah, I guess I could like plug this in. But my thingy sounds so weird. Does this do something? Yeah, it did something. Okay, maybe take this out. I just pulled out the naming. Okay, so bring on my TV. Still have no idea how to work this or what that thing is. Put this on and on my PlayStation. Then do this controller. God damn it. Do this. Whoa, I can hear it. But now I need to like test it. Which side to put it? It sounds so clear as well. Hold on, I'm gonna test it. The happier will be. So guys, I had to actually go poo. So yeah, this is gonna take a while. Okay, so I'm testing it. Okay, so I'm testing it now, and it actually is really good. Hold on, let me do something. It fits really good, and I know which way is left and right. This is left. This is right. You might see it the other way around because things, and yeah, it's really good. Watching Tifu now. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah, bye.